Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 0x80070043. The network name was not found. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix this issue, first of all you have to just click on the search menu, then type here edit group policy. Here you will find group policy. Click on this. Maximize the screen. In this, under computer configuration, you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand it. Here you will find system. Double click and scroll down. In this, you will find log on. You have to just single click on that. Come to the right side. In this, you have to find always wait for the network at computer startup and log on. Double click on that. Select enable. Click on apply. Then click OK. Then close this window and press Windows plus R key. Then type here %temp%. Then click on OK. Here you will find all your temporary files. You have to just select all by pressing Ctrl A. Right click on that. Then click on delete. After deleting, it will be moved to your recycle bin. You have to just go to the desktop and empty your recycle bin. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.